In today's video, I'll walk you through how to add a video to your call to action, or CTA, in HubSpot. If you're new to HubSpot or just getting started with CTAs, don't worry. This is a simple process, and I'll explain it step by step. First, log into your HubSpot account and go to Marketing. From there, click on CTAs. This is where you create and manage all your call to action elements. Once you're on the CTA page, click the Create button. HubSpot will show you a few templates you can start with. Choose a template that fits your goal. Don't overthink it, since you can customize it later. After selecting a template, the CTA editor will open. This is where the real work happens. By default, many CTAs are set up with buttons or images, but we want to use a video instead. Look for the Main Content or Rich Content area inside the editor. Here, you can add different elements. Find the video option and drag it into the CTA layout wherever you want the video to appear. If there's already an image in the CTA, you can simply remove it. Once the image is gone, the video will take its place, giving your CTA a more dynamic and engaging look. Now click on Select Video. You'll see a few choices here. You can use a video that's already uploaded to HubSpot, upload a new video from your computer, or paste a video URL if you're embedding one. Choose the option that works best for you and confirm your selection. After the video is added, take a moment to review how the CTA looks. Make sure everything is clear, clean, and easy to understand for your audience. When you're happy with it, move on to the final step. Click Review and Publish, and your video CTA will be ready to use in emails, landing pages, or other HubSpot content. And that's how you add videos to your call to action in HubSpot. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.